Does every Harbor Freight sale have the same items? Yes, there's going to be some of the same items, and most of them are even about the same price, except for this one item that is on the very first page of the last 3 sales. There's a $100 difference. One thing that is a guarantee with every sale is if you are an ITC member or Inside Track Club member, then you get early access. Now, I don't always suggest becoming an ITC member just for the sales, but there might be 1 or 2 items that I will go over which might make it worth it. If you are the one to have ever thought, hey, I swear every sale is just the same, well, there's some little truth to that. So let's take a look at the yellow boxed items. They're typically the cheaper, less than $10 items. They're the items that I say are the ones they throw out to get you in the store, and they are a good deal, but they're not worth it to rush out just for the sale for. And from what I can tell, looking at the past 3 ads, about 25% of those are the exact same item and same price, give or take. I think one of them had like a difference of 20 cents. Well, this is going to be your gloves, the towels, those little socket adapters, batteries, zip ties, and yep, I'm pretty sure those drill bits have been in every ad ever since they came out with that set. Now, for about 50% of the items, they show up about every 3rd ad. So, for example, one was in August or vice versa. You could kind of get 2 out of the 3. This is the ammo box, sawhorse, earmuffs, and my favorite, the angle grinder, which I have way too many of them. I need to stop just thinking in my head, hey, it's on sale, pick one up. Because as mentioned, it's in every other sale. Just, maybe that's why they do it. Harbor Freight is onto something, I tell you. Now, for the remaining 25% of the items, still just the yellow box cheap items, these are, from what I can tell, they're kind of the seasonal items. They're, I saw some solar lights, the flags. An automotive plastic fastener kit, they're probably the items that you'll really only see about once or twice a year. Do get them, but they're not worth waking up early on Black Friday just to get those. Moving on to the big boys, generators, lift jacks, and of course, welders. Now, just like those yellow box items, there are a couple of these that have shown up in every single ad. Let's kick it off with the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanic cart. Pay attention to these prices. In August, they had it for $197. In October, $179. And then Black Friday, it's $189. So, prime example of the Black Friday sale not always being the best deal of the year. The one I mentioned earlier was the 5,000 watt Predator generator. Now, in August, it was $899. In October, $849. And then Black Friday deal, very first at the page, $799. That is $100 off the sale price. So, I mean, granted, it's regularly over $1,000, but just saying, knocking off $100 within the sales? Yes. If you're in the market, pick one up this sale for sure. Another big ticket item I want to mention is the Omni Pro 220. In August, it was $849, October $899, and Black Friday, they dropped it back down to $849. So there definitely is some little tricks that they're trying to play on you on really which one's the better deal. In August, they had 40% off Icon ratchets, which was a smoking deal. Black Friday, they brought back 40% again, but not for the ratchets. This one is for socket sets, which if you look up just Icon socket sets, there's like over 100, and that's because it's including like all of the little stuff and also including some wrench sets. So I don't think those are included. I'm not sure. Keep tabs on the comment sections because I will try to find out from some employees what really is included on that sale. And if this is, then you had better pick it up. Let me grab it really quick. And if this little mini bit set, which I wouldn't have thought it is, but when you just search, as I mentioned, Icon socket sets, this one actually comes up. I love this little ratchet. It's the little mini 1/4-inch ratchet. Freaking awesome. There's so many little features and things you can do with this guy. And if for nothing, it makes a great gift or stocking stuffer. And whether you care or not, they are also including 40% off Braun lights and Avanti sprayers. But, I mean, Who cares, right? They got Icon again, so that's really the main reason why I'm gonna go to this sale. I picked up another table. Literally, I picked it up. Whew. Okay, so going down, continuing with the Black Friday deal, you'll see the titanium 125, and then you also got the titanium welding table. Well, guess what? That welding table I picked up for, I think it was the full price, might have been like 10 bucks off. So here's a little Harbor Freight secret for you. If you pick up something and then it goes on sale, you take your receipt in and they will give you that difference. So you betcha here on the 25th, I'm going in with my receipt from the welding table and I'm gonna get 25 bucks in my pocket. There is always going to be a lift jack, even if not numerous, in the sale. So this one, Black Friday, you got Badlands, and I think I saw a couple others. Yes, you've even got Daytona and Pittsburgh, some 3 tons, some 1.5 tons. So depending on what tonnage you're actually looking for, there will be one in every sale. The ladder, whoa, oh, yes. Franklin, 17 foot, 99 bucks. Great ladder, if you need a ladder. Being Harbor Freight tools, they do always tend to have mechanic tool sets. So they had the exact same, or no, this was the Pittsburgh one. They've got a Quinn one. Oh, nope, they do have the Pittsburgh one there as well, 169. They also have the pretty cheap ones like the 130 piece, just the Pittsburgh, just stuff. They also have the Pittsburgh and last one. So every sale, you got some tool sets. Compressors and impact wrenches. There's tons of them in there. They got the McGraw, the Fortress. Now, there's a bunch of different ones or models, and so depending on what size you need, just like with everything else, they may or may not have it. Now, for the smaller McGraw ones, they've actually been in every single ad. They're the 99 bucks. Is it 99? No, 49 bucks. 49 bucks for the little 3-gallon pancake style. I don't know, if you're maybe doing really small light duty or just some nail gun, just like the small, just staple type stuff, then sure, get that size. If not, you will definitely want to bump it up to at least, an 8 or 10 gallon. That will do fine for your air impacts. And likewise with the air wrenches, I use mine for my heavier duty type stuff. So I go with the 1/2-inch socket. It's gotten every bolt off where my battery electric impact could not. I know, I saw this. There it is, the Hercules bandsaw. Man, Bauer, Hercules, they got both tons of tools, cordless tools, and so there's always going to be a bunch in the ads. This time around, got some awesome deals, especially for the portable bandsaw and also the universal bandsaw stand. I got my hands on one of the very first ones, and I use it all the time. Also, their saws are good. They've got some cordless impacts. Just those 5-year warranty is really hard to pass up, and I've been collecting more and more and more. Do you know Hercules got pruning blades? I've used some of the Diablos with my DeWalt reciprocating saw, and so, hey, why not? Let's get a smaller package. I picked this guy up this week. They got a whole nother complete sale on that, where you buy, I think it's like the 5 amp hour battery, and then you get the tool free. So Hercules, you should always wait until they have some type of sale like that going on, or if it's in the ad. If you see an item that you need, or you need to try to figure out how to convince your wife that you need, then pick it up. Just take note for those big ticket items, the $1,000+ items, your Predator 5,000 watt generator, or the Omni Pro 220. Those might be worth tracking and seeing when that best sale is. And for everything else, I guess you can wait till next month. Like, subscribe. I'm DIY Pro. We'll see you next time.